We often think of holiday gatherings as formal dinners, but did you know that a holiday brunch can be just as festive and enjoyable? In today's video, we'll guide you through how to create a memorable holiday brunch experience that combines the best of breakfast and lunch, all in the comfort of your own home. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring how to host a delightful holiday brunch. This is a fantastic way to celebrate with family and friends during the festive season. Let's get started. First things first, planning your menu. When planning your holiday brunch, consider a menu that includes a mix of sweet and savory dishes. This ensures there's something for everyone. Think about incorporating traditional breakfast items like egg dishes and baked goods alongside heartier lunch options. This balance creates a delightful dining experience. Second, consider make-ahead options. To reduce stress on the day of the event, think about dishes that can be prepared in advance. Breakfast casseroles and quiches can be made the night before, while fresh cinnamon rolls or muffins can fill your home with inviting aromas when baked in the morning. Don't forget lighter options like fruit salads or yogurt parfaits to complement the richer dishes. Third, set the timing. Holiday brunch typically starts later than breakfast, usually between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. This allows for a more leisurely meal preparation and enjoyment. It's the perfect time for guests to relax and savor their food. Fourth, create a festive atmosphere. Enhance the holiday spirit with decorations and themed tableware. Use holiday-themed centerpieces and consider playing soft holiday music in the background to set the mood. A well-decorated table not only looks inviting but also elevates the overall experience. Fifth, starting with beverages. Kick off your brunch with a selection of warming and invigorating drinks. Offer rich, aromatic coffee, fresh orange juice, and even set up a mimosa bar. Combine chilled champagne with orange juice for classic mimosas, or get creative with Bellinis using peach puree. Sixth, fresh-baked pastries and breads. Fill your brunch table with an array of warm, fragrant baked goods. Offer flaky buttermilk biscuits, croissants, and a variety of muffins. For a special holiday treat, bake gingerbread pancakes to fill your home with a delightful aroma. Seventh, main course selections. A holiday brunch shines with hearty main courses. Consider savory casseroles and quiches that can feed a crowd. An Eggs Benedict casserole or a tater-tot breakfast casserole are both crowd pleasers. Don't forget sweet sensations like classic French toast and waffles, which can be customized at a waffle bar. 8. Sides and accompaniments. Include tasty sides to complement your main dishes. Roasted vegetables and hash browns are excellent choices. A simple green salad with a light vinaigrette can add a refreshing touch, while sauteed spinach with garlic provides a nutritious option. 9th, homemade sauces and spreads. Enhance your dishes with homemade salsa or hollandaise sauce for Eggs Benedict. A savory herb, butter can elevate your breads and pastries, while a fruit compote adds a sweet touch to pancakes and waffles. 10th, finishing touches for the event. As the brunch wraps up, ensure you have a smooth cleanup. Use warm water and gentle detergent for cleaning wine glasses and serving dishes. Consider gathering feedback from your guests about their favorite dishes to refine your menu for future events. Finally, keep the holiday spirit alive. Continue exploring new recipes and ideas for future brunches. Each gathering is an opportunity to create special memories and try new flavors. Encourage your guests to share their favorite dishes or ideas for your next brunch, keeping everyone engaged and excited. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.